First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Kirbavadi. I am from Kalakurchi, popularly known as Sugarcane City. I have completed my schooling in Government Model High Secondary School in Sittar. I have learned a basic skill, sincerity, punctuality in my school days, where I secured 84% in the high secondary in the year of 2023. I am interested to choose this course because the field are at the forefront of innovation are high in demand. Now I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Engineering in Computer Science with the specialization of Internet of Things Cyber Security including Blockchain of Technology at SNS College of Engineering in Coimbatore. During my academics, I have done many courses in Propinsta, Sololon, Great Learning for coding languages like C, Java, Python, web development courses for HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Power BI Tableau for certifications. This one helped to grow our skill. I have attended many presentation workshops, non-technical events. These are develop my career growth. My short-term goal is to develop my coding and communication skill. My long-term goal is to place a Tata Consulting Services to get good portion at the same company. Don't read success stories, only get a message. Read failure stories, you will get some idea to get success. Thank you.